Hello everyone, this is Varsha and you are watching the series of success stories brought to you by Indian Achievers Forum. So as you all know, the series is all about the prominent achievers of our country who has made India proud in some way or the other. The main focus of our series is to make you all know about the success and achievements of our prominent guest. So today, in the same sequence, we have with us Mr. Vinod Kelwani, who is the CEO of Techno Heaven Consultancy Private Limited. But before we actually start the conversation with him, let's quickly have a look at a very small video telling you about what we actually do.
Indian Achievers Forum is driven by a full-fledged advisory board. The board consists of experienced personalities who have excelled in their respective careers. Together, the forum organizes conferences, events, workshops, exhibitions, trade shows and B2B initiatives in India as well as abroad. Where there is passion, there is achievement. And where there is achievement, there is Indian Achievers Forum.
Hello, Mr. Vinod, how are you?
All good, all good. What about you?
I'm good too. Thank you so very much. Okay, so before we actually start the conversation, please tell us something about you and your profession.
Thank you, Varsha, for
Yeah.
the brief introduction. And myself, Vinod Kelwani, I am the CEO of the Techno Heaven. As a you know about the Techno Heaven, but I will give the brief overview about the Techno Heaven. Since 12 years, as a Vinod Kelwani, we are the specialists in the travel domain, and our whole goal is provide end-to-end services for the travel industry. Because we are in the B2B, we are in the B2C, and tour operator, they all are the dealing with us. So we are in the, all in, all you can say, all travel related software we are working, and this is our core domain as a Techno Heaven. With the Techno Heaven, we have one more company called as a Techno Heaven Learning Center, where, we will teach to the people about the core domain, about the travel domain, and we can teach them about the education, how they need to work on the travel tech, and how they can grow ahead. So we have the internally two company. One is the Techno One Consultancy Private Limited, and one company name is Techno One Learning Center, where we can teach about the people about the all codes and all thing. And this way we are growing in the market. And regarding my education, I done my MCA in the North Maharashtra University, and I'm the Microsoft certified professional developer. And with this, we are handling the back to back, and this is a entire journey. I start my journey with a small software developer in the year 2006, and then after I joined Pune with a company as a role as a TL, and this just overview how we are dealing as a travel tech.
Okay, so Mr. Vinod, how did you actually land up to the idea of, starting up with this particular business?
Great, 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 Varsa. This is a really nice question actually, because everyone has their own dream actually, right? So I have also dream, but this dream is not come in the one day. I can sleep and I can see the dream and the company start, because every dream come to the success. There is a lot of effort, and some guidance is also required. I stay in a very small village like Billimora, right? This is a very small place. Maybe you never heard about this place, but you know I tell you the story about the 2006, where people are traveling from the Billimora to Surat daily 51 kilometers. They are doing the traveling from the one place to another place, and this is a 51 kilometers. 9:30, they are coming to back to the home. All IT educated people, they don't have the job in this location, and that day we are decide let's start the IT company in this location. And then this picture is coming, and this this coming in my mind in the year 2006. And 2013 finally we complete my dream. But to complete this dream, there is a lot of effort is required. You need to find out the good team, but good part is here, they are the developer and all team member are, they work as a family. So this is not challenge for us, but then you need to get the projects, and how to you need to survive in the market. We are the new in the market, how to cut the salary, how to set. This all challenge is coming, but we come with a travel tech solution, and this solution, these people done the very great effort. And today, that's the reason we are with the 80 team members right now with this location.
That's really great. Okay, so now moving ahead, can you please tell about the challenges that you have faced in your journey while moving ahead in it?
See, like major challenge is there is no major challenge I can say, but the first challenge is no one trusts you. First of all, if I am telling you, Versa, please take the product from me, why are you taking the product from me? There is a someone should be present in the market, right? They need to take the product from you. Then you will get the reviews and all things. Then people trust on you. So we are very focused initial stage in the service quality, create a very best product which is not present in the market, and we put a lot of effort till 2016. 2013 to 2016 we put a lot of effort, lot of development, lot of things we focus. We are not focused on the sales. These are the main things. And then we come with the product, and then we are going into the market with this product because this product is very unique. So selling the product is the main challenge in the market. Then this trust, if we get and we follow the rules, like your customer and all things are happy, then we can survive. So this is the main challenge we have, and train to the people actually, because we are in the small town, and people are not aware about the travel tech domain knowledge. So that's the reason we come with the one concept called the Techno Learning Center, where we teach to the people about the travel domain. That's I already explained to you, like how we are working, but the dedication is also there. The good thing is, if you are very dedicated in all things, so it is already convert. So we get a very good team also, and we convert this team into the result actually. So finally, we have the very good team. They work very hard, and now today I can say very confidently we are in the top 10 in the globally in the as a travel tech platform.
Okay, so now moving ahead, could you please also elaborate about the product and services that your organization is providing?
Perfect, Varsa. I really happy to explain the all product that we develop. Like I will talk about you. You heard about the Burj Khalifa. You talk about the Dubai Dolphinarium. You heard about the Dubai 3D Park. So this is the all are the attraction. Like we are going to the museum. So we have the one product called as a attraction module, where you can combine the all things together and you can sell the online activities in the platform. So this is a very unique product we have, and a lot of attraction is also using this product. So if you talk about the Dubai Dolphinarium, they use our activity scanner app. So as a Versa, if you are going to the Dubai Dolphinarium, you no need to go to the counter, and no need to collect the ticket. You will get a live QR code, and you will get a immediately entrance. They will use the Techno Heaven activity scanner app, and you will get immediately entry in the system. This is a big achievement for us. Like people like Dubai, they are using our activity scanner app. So this is one product, and we are very strong in the B2B, B2C. Even we will done the with the Abu Dhabi government. We launched the concept called as a city pass. We are the first company that launched the you know uh, marketplace module for the Vietnam market, where this marketplace is a whole and soul where you can buying and selling. There is no profit. We are blocking the chain actually. So this blockchain concept, we have a lot of product. We are the core in the travel tech, B2B, B2C, tour operator software. So we are helping you the DMC, destination management company. We are handling to the tour operator. We are supporting to the travel agency. Now this COVID time, we will come with a very good concept called as a OTPS, online travel portal solution, where if any agent, like there is a lot of agent are bankruptcy state, some are the very difficult. Now trend is very changed, so they need an online portal, right? So cost is very big challenge, and we will come with the concept where we are creating the very OTPS concept, where they can create their own website with a very best price. They will get a wholesaler inventory from the 100 plus suppliers, and they get a very advantage. So they no need to contact to the supplier. They will get all inventory, they will add the markup, and they can survive. Especially due to this COVID, we will come with this unique concept, and we get a very appreciated from the market, and people are really enjoying the system, and we get a very good positive feedback.
Okay, that's great. Great services you're providing to the people out there. Okay, so now moving ahead, everyone do plans for their future, So, what are your future plans for your organization in the upcoming years?
Yeah, see, future plan, COVID totally changed actually, So before COVID, our future planning is very strict, like, we will work on the very B2B and B2C market. But nowadays, trend is changed. Now everyone need an online system and with the best price. So our future planning is now we are come with the one great product called as a activity linker. Activity linker is, I will tell you the things like activity linker is one of the biggest marketplace that not present in the market. So you get a rate from the DMC, you will get a rate from the OTA, you will get from the multiple source, and this rate we will produce to the directly end customer, and they will got a loyalty point also in the different format. And this is one of the unique place where there is a no marketplace properly available in the market. There is yes, there is a marketplace is there, but this type of the marketplace is not there where directly DMCs and all are connected and customer get a directly benefit. And if customer refer and they will going to get earn points, they will get a reward point. They will use this point as a platform, as a booking platform, and this is the unique concept that we are launching in the market. And now we are very focused on the blockchain concept where trend is changed, so we need to work on the blockchain and this all unique concept. We are working on the AI in the travel industry where customer get a more benefit. This is our key strength, and we are very focused and parallelly and must to do this customer satisfaction. So we are very focused on the C life because we have our life, I know, but customer life is very important and customer should be the happy. Because if my customer is happy, then as a techno, then only we can survive. So we are very focused. Like my customer will be feel happy with this.
That's very lovely. Okay, so now moving ahead, I know it's a very special feeling when one get recognition for their work, but still, I would like to know from you that what are your feelings on winning this Indian Achievers Award?
This feeling I cannot, explain to you, but this like I got the email from India Achiever and this says like you are nominated and this is amazing. And then I immediately called to my colleague Dara, see I got an email, and because this is the award is one of the best part for me like in the life actually. And if you someone appreciate someone is appreciate for the hard work and all things that we are really feel good. But this award is not to belong to me actually. This award is goes to my entire team because my team is working very hard and they are putting the all effort. So I can say this award is goes to the my entire Techno team and to my client. They are putting the all hard and they are working as a my family. And really thanks to India Achiever also like they support me and they find like I deserve this award.
And I once again congratulate you on the achievement that you have achieved. Okay, so now moving ahead, 2020 has been a year of lot many ups and downs for almost every one of us. But still, it has the year has made us all realize the importance of becoming Atmanirbhar. So, what are your thoughts on becoming self-reliant, and also how is your organization contributing or working towards this campaign?
See, I really appreciate our India country to Atmanirbhar vision. Like, this is the one of the best decisions that our government is taking. Like, because see, as an Indian, we really proud feel. I will tell you the one story actually. Because one day I am going to the Malaysia. One guy is coming to me and he says, you're from India? I says yes. He says your prime minister is one of the best prime minister in the world. And then that day I realized, we all know like he's one of the best minister in the world actually. But the way he is thinking and his support is to our nation is one of the best thing. And we also, in the Atmanirbhar mission and like this mission, like as a Techno Heaven Learning Center, we have the one center that I already explained to you where we will teach to our Indian team members. We will do the campus organization also. Like this 15 Feb, like one campus visit is done. 80 team member is joined to us. We explain about the all products, what we are doing, what is the life cycle of the development. They know they feel really happy and they feel like we can do. We can do. So, this is the main strength actually, and we really appreciate and salute to our government for the Atmanirbhar vision and mission, and this is really great, great, great thing.
So now, before concluding our lovely session, what message or piece of advice or mantra you would like to give to our younger generation who wish to be a successful entrepreneur someday?
See, I have only one message actually, just focus. If you are thinking something you need to do, just focus on these things like you can do it first of all. Don't feel bad or anything, like don't feel demotivated like when you fail, because any issue is coming in your life because of the whatever decision you will take, okay, and whatever you are planning, there is a failure is coming. But from failure is a story where you will get a success actually. So failure is a key place where you will get a success. So no need to worry about your failure. This is a key strength. Like in your IT field, like I will tell you, 2014 is a very critical stage in my life where I get a lot of failure. And from my failure, I learn actually what is my mistake. And from my mistake, I learn and I correct it. And we grow and grow together as a team. So believe in the teamwork. We cannot alone anything. So if you believe in the teamwork, then you can grow and you can grow with your team. This is my suggestion to the all young people, and young people are the key strength actually. If they can do anything actually. They need to just focus on the 100%. Do not change the path on the multiple direction.
Absolutely, mistakes always, proves that at least someone is trying. Okay, so thank you so very much, Vinod, for joining us today. It was lovely talking to you, and I wish you all the very best for all your future endeavors, and may you continue to inspire us the way you're doing. Thank you so much for
Thank
joining us.
you. Thank you, Usha.